Hello friends, a very good afternoon to all of you. I wish you all a very happy Durga Puja. Today I am going to present before you all my special cuisine called as Nest Bite, and this is a very simple and quick recipe, and especially I am damn sure that children will definitely enjoy this, and it tastes very yummy. So the main ingredients which I have taken here I am going to show before you all. This is, I have taken 2 green chilies finely chopped. Now I have taken ginger garlic paste. This is, I have taken 1 teaspoon. This one is corn flour, and this I have taken 2 tablespoons. Then this is coriander powder, which is a homemade powder, and this I have taken as 2 tablespoons. This one is garam masala. This is also homemade recipe. So this is, I have taken 1 teaspoon. Now this 1 medium size onion which I have finely chopped it. This is red chili powder. This I have taken a very little in quantity, as in my family mostly people don't like, but if you like red chili you can add more to this recipe. This is up to your choice. Now this is frozen peas which I have boiled with salt, and I have completely dried all the water inside it. Okay. And now the next ingredient is the chaat powder. This is also optional, but this I have taken because I want to make my dish little chatpata. Now this one is the slurry. If you are able to see it, this is made of maida and water, and see this, that there is no lumps inside it. If there would be lump, then it would be very difficult to bind it, so you concentrate that the thickness is just like this, means there should no lumps inside it. Now this is salt, according to your taste you can add. Now this is vermicelli, which is used to create the nest, and it would bind the other ingredients. And I have little roast it on a frying tawa before putting this as my ingredients. Now I have created this batter. I have mixed all the ingredients which I have taken. I have added some few leaves of coriander also, and I have bind it together and make it a dough. Now what I will do is, I will take this big and will make a small bit round shape. I will then add this in the slurry. Completely in the slurry. I will dip it, and then I will add the vermicelli. See. So that it stick together. And I will make a hole in it. See. This is as if the nest is ready. Now same I will do with all this batter. Now see, this is ready. These all nests are ready, and now I will be going to keep this in freezer for at least 15 to 20 minutes so that it settle well, and after that I will show you how I am going to fry it and present before you. Now I have added oil in the kadai, and uh, one by one I will put all this nest and fry it to a little dark brown color. I will show you how it's happening. I will fry all this nest in a medium. See, now the color is changing. See, it's very light brown in color. The color is very nice, and the vermicelli is also very fine sticked into the nest. So now I will take it out as it's completely fried. Similarly, I will fry all this nest all together. So now the nest bite is ready. I have added paneer and cheese to give the shape of the egg, and coriander leaves for the toppings. So now you can see my platter is ready. I hope you have enjoyed the preparation of this recipe, and trust me, it tastes very yummy. Do prepare this recipe. Thank you all.